Hello guys! Good afternoon! Hapon na. Alas 2 na ng hapon. Kaya tapos ko lang maligo, obviously. And hala, ipapakita ko pala sa inyo guys. Yung Vanity Planet, I have been using this. But, ito yung lagi kong ginagamit na brush. As you guys can see, gamit na siya. Ever since I got this, I started using it every day. Hindi ko siya nagagamit every night kasi nandun siya sa banyo. And then, kapag meron akong makeup, yung ginagamit ko is ito. All clean balm, and mas gusto ko na minamassage ko siya gamit yung finger ko para matanggal talaga yung makeup. And ayoko din na malagyan siya ng makeup residue like foundation kasi nagiging brown siya. And yun yung na-notice ko last na pag nagiging brown siya, kapag lagi mo siyang ginagamit na pangtanggal ng makeup, nagiging brown siya, tapos hindi na siya natatanggal kahit gaano ko pa siya ilinis kapag maraming beses mo na siya nagamit. Today, I started using for the very first time yung silicone or silicone ba tawag dito. Ito guys, actually mas gusto ko yung feeling niya sa face kaysa dito. Like, hindi naman siya harsh. Hindi naman siya harsh sa mukha at all. Pero ito, sobrang soft niya sa mukha. Like, hindi talaga siya masakit at all. It reminds me of that silicone cleansing pad na nabili ko sa Singapore. Pero ito, meron siyang attachment and nagsispin siya. Ito. And itong Vanity Planet, nakuha ko siya. Ilang ako na ba ito ginagamit? Kalimutan ko na guys, basta matagal na. Na-vlog ko to nung na-receive ko to. Ganito siya, meron siyang lalagyan. Meron siyang 3 heads. One, that's for exfoliating. So, dapat gagamitin mo yan once a week. Pero ako, hindi ko siya nagagamit. Kasi ito lang lagi kong ginagamit. Nasa banyo na kasi siya. Ito kasi nilagay ko dito sa drawer ko. So, hindi ko na siya natatandaan. Pero meron din siya nito, cleansing head. And then, ito, na first time ko ginamit kanina na gustong-gusto ko. And ito yung travel size nila, travel kit ata nila. And yeah, I have 70% off para sa inyo guys. Nasa description box siya ng lahat ng videos ko. 70% off. I'm not quite sure kung magkano talaga siya. Pero 70% off, that's a huge deal right there. So, yeah, I have been using this. And alam nyo naman, if you've been watching my videos, alam nyo na yung isa nito, before pa yung nasira, yun talaga yung gamit ko every single day. Now, I have a smaller version. Hindi ko nga alam kung nasan yung old ko kasi nalaglag yun. Tapos parang ano siya dito, nag-crack siya dito. Natatakot na akong gamitin kasi baka anong mangyari, diba? Kasi meron siyang battery. Tapos, you know, natatakot ako gamitin siya. It still works, pero again, meron siyang crack. So, natatakot ako baka makuryente ako or something. Makuryente, battery, yeah. But this is way better kasi it's smaller. Tapos, meron pa siya sariling... Ow! Meron pa siya sariling lalagyan, no? Na pwede mong i-take with you when you travel. And I will just finish my skincare routine. Nag-toner na ako at saka moisturizer. Yung gamit ko pala na eye cream is yung Mario Badescu na hyaluronic eye cream. And I'm not sure kung it's helping my under eyes. I think it is. I've been using this for nang pagdating ko dito. So, January, yeah, over a month now. And yeah, inaano ko lang siya sa aking mata. I use it after talaga ako maligo. Tapos, kapag nag-makeup ako and then I remove the makeup, ginagamit ko ulit siya sa gabi. Pupunta nga pala kami ni Dan ngayon sa outdoor cinema. So, I'm excited. Mamayang gabi pa yun, kaya hindi pa ako nag-contacts. Mamaya lang ako mag-contacts kasi baka biglang sumakit yung mata ko. Tapos, di pa kami aalis. Kasi hapon pa. Tapos, yung movie, I think, is 8:45, I think. So, yeah, mamayang gabi pa yun. I think I will film a video. I'm not sure. Nag-edit na ako ng 2 videos kaninang umaga. And then, I think I have 2 more videos that I need to film. I'm not sure. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Tatapusin ko lang yung aking after shower routine. I will be cleaning you guys using this. Na-feature ko na to sa haul ko. Yung haul na yun, ang tagal ko na yun film. Recently ko lang siya na-upload kasi you know, I schedule my videos. Anyway, so yeah, ito yung gagamitin ko. Gaganyanin ko yung lens. Linisin ko kayo ng maayos, ha? See, nawala na yung mga magaling to. Ayoko lang i-touch yung lens talaga, kaya ito yung gusto kong gamitin. It comes with yung, parang cloth, na hindi ko ginagamit kasi medyo rough yung cloth. So, hangin na lang. Natatanggal naman niya, maganda to. Dito na sa Dan, nakahubad na naman. I will have some snacks, sabritas, yung Flamin' Hot na chips. na from Munchpak. This is from Mexico and I like it. Hindi naman siya naubos kahapon kasi sobrang daming tinry namin. And ayaw dito. And ayaw nila dito. So, it's mine, it's mine. What time are we leaving, babe? 8:30? 8?
Alright.
8? Okay. Nag-ano lang ako, nag-wipe-wipe lang ako ng mga counter para bukas mag-vacuum na ako. Pero tapos na ako. I will have some snacks and yeah. Hello! We are preparing food para sa aming picnic movie tonight. So, meron kaming tubig. Cold tubig. And then I'm bringing this Bancha Crunch. And then, ito din. This is from Munchpak. Ito yung mango something. Mango drink. Mango water ata to? Yeah, water flavored. Mango flavored water. And then, magsistop kami sa McDonald's to get my chicken nuggets. So, bibilhin ko yung 24 pieces for $10 the chicken nuggets for first time ko. And siguro I would get chips as well. Si Dan kumain ng cereal, tapos kumain din siya ng eggs for dinner. And I was like, no, I want chicken nuggets. So, we will get that. The movie will start in an hour. Magdadala ako ng jacket. Kasi it's gonna be cold for sure. And then yung food pala namin lalagay namin dito. Oh, diba? To keep it cold. And then yung blanket na pinakita ko sa inyo sa previous vlog. Port Power blanket. And then also, I will be bringing this. Yung nakuha ko from Zaful. Ano siya guys? Tapestry siya na flamingos. Pink flamingos. Yeah. Ilalagay ko siya on top of the blanket. Yes, dadalhin namin yan. And then I will get jacket. Maybe I will bring my bomber jacket. We'll see. It's gonna be cold tonight. Not super cold, but knowing me, I'm pretty sure I will be cold. So we are off. Is it far from here, babe?
It's in the city.
Ah, okay. I didn't know that. It's in the city. We are watching. I forgot something with love in it. A love story. I love you? Something like that? Loving. Loving pala. It's an old movie, right, babe?
Nah.
Oh, how old?
It's a new movie.
But not like...
It's set in the olden days.
Okay.
In the 40s or 50s, I think, 60s.
Yeah, I'm bringing this. Kasi it's gonna be cold tonight. And then we will stop by McDonald's to get like chicken nuggets. Are you hungry? No. You look good, babe.
Thank you.
Hi to the vlog. Say hi, babe. Ha ha ha. We are here, people. Get me my chicken nuggets, please. Chicken nuggets, please.
There we go.
Oh, $9.99. Haha. Yeah, get that, babe. Wait, let me get my money. Where is that? What's my get to you?
Hello, can I grab the 24 chicken nuggets with the ice cream?
Yeah.
Yes, please. And sauces are in there?
Yeah.
Yep, alright, thanks.
24 pieces chicken nuggets.
That one as well, babe.
Okay, thank you, babe. Yummers! First time ko kumain ng chicken nuggets here, babe. From McDonald's.
From this one?
Yeah, from here in Australia.
No, we've had it before.
Way. Yeah, really?
Yeah.
I remember fries, but I don't remember eating chicken nuggets from McDonald's here. Oh, so bright, the sun. We're here, but Dan is not sure if this is the one. You're not sure, babe?
No, I'm not sure.
Okay. Looks like that one is it, but I don't know. Wala kasing tao. Kami lang yung nandito. 4 na chicken nuggets na yung nakain ko. 4, babe. 4. Tapos may 20 pa tara. Sarap ng chicken nuggets. I think makakaubos talaga ako ng marami. Si Kath, nag-crave din siya ng chicken nuggets now that she's pregnant. So sabi ko, we should do the chicken nuggets challenge. Kasi kapag si Dan, yung kasabay ko gumawa ng challenge, I'm pretty sure matatalo ako, diba? Pretty sure. We're here. It's called Moonlight Cinema. So meron sila December to February. Right there. Pasok ka dito. And then yan, may mga tao na. Hala, we didn't bring our chairs. Here. Box office. Well, we can tell, babe. We can tell. Port Power Core Power shorts. Core Power top. What the heck? This guy.
Do you want to use your thing or not?
Do you want to use it?
Nah.
No? Okay. Don't mind it then. There's another Port Power. And then my chicken nuggets. And I brought this. Ay, napakita ko na pala kanina yun. Kinuha ko to dun sa front. If you were a fruit, you'd be a pineapple. Like that. Free lang yan. Kaya kinuha ko. Hello, that's open then. Ito na yung dinner natin.
I like this sweet and sour sauce better.
Do you? Let me taste that. Oh yeah. Yeah. Let's try this, babe. We will be trying this. Hindi namin ito na-try eh kasi hindi namin i-open. I-open. Okay. Oh, it's carbonated. Yeah. I think it is. Did you hear that?
Good?
It's good. Do you like it?
It's alright.
It's alright. It's good. Yum. Yan. Parang nag-aaway na ata itong mga tao dito sa tabi namin ah. Ganito pala itsura niya, guys. Yan, yung malaki. And then, yes, hindi ginamit na din yung ano ko. Mas malaki din kasi yun. Madudumihan. Madudumihan. Core Power! Dumidilim na, guys. Mayroong mga bats. There. Ngayon na nag-film ako, wala lahat. Oh, itong bats na to. Ang dami kanina. Magsisimula na ang movie. They're back, the bats. Bats, 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 bats. Ang dami. We're done. It was a good movie. It was based on...
Like it? Yeah. I liked it. I thought you didn't like it.
No, I liked it.
You don't
Some of it I didn't understand, yeah. It's so hard to understand their accent. Yeah, it's based on a true story. Ano siya, guys? Interracial relationship. You and me, babe.
I'm a white man.
You're the white man. Kasi noon, diba, hindi pwede magpakasal yung itom at saka itom.
See, look at the spider, babe.
Huh?
Look at the spider.
Oh, the spider? Yeah. We have a lot of spiders in the Philippines. Let's go.
Massive spider.
How many? Two. There's two.
How big it is.
Yeah.
It's huge.
We are home! Ano ko lang, lalabas ko lang tong mga laman dito. Maraming mga basura. Masarap yung ano, guys, yung water, mango flavored water na dinala ko kanina. Basura yan. Ito, meron pang laman. And ano na, gabi na, guys. 11 ata. Yeah, kanina pa nag-up yung video ko. 11 na. Puno na ang ating basurahan dito. Babe! Naligo na naman. Pangatlong ligo na yan ngayong araw. Over din tong taong to eh. Tulog na kami, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, please subscribe. I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Do not forget to be good. Good night. Good night, babe. Uy!